Welcome to Techverse, your ultimate space for everything tech. Whether you're into the latest gadgets, mobile phones, or honest reviews, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated mid-range smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's break it down and see if it's really worth the hype. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is the latest addition to Samsung's popular A series, known for delivering solid features at a budget-friendly price. With the A56, Samsung continues to push the boundaries of what mid-range phones can offer. First things first, design. The Galaxy A56 carries a sleek and modern look with a premium glass back and an aluminum frame, giving it a flagship-like feel. The device is slim, lightweight, and fits comfortably in the hand. It's available in multiple colors, catering to both classic and trendy tastes. On the front, you get a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you're getting smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your socials. Samsung really nailed the display on this one, as expected. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is powered by the Exynos 1480 processor paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. It performs smoothly for day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and even some casual gaming. For heavy-duty games, it's decent, though not flagship level, but then again, you're not paying flagship prices. On the camera front, the A56 packs a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera. The image quality is solid in good lighting conditions, with nice color balance and detail. Low light performance has improved compared to previous models, thanks to software optimization. The 32MP front camera is great for selfies and video calls, producing sharp and well-lit shots. Battery life is another strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. It supports 25W fast charging, which isn't the fastest out there, but gets the job done within a reasonable time. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 hits a sweet spot for those looking for a reliable, stylish, and well-rounded smartphone without breaking the bank. It's a solid upgrade for A-series users and a great pick for anyone entering the Samsung ecosystem. That's it for today's review on Techverse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content, because here at Techverse, we make tech simple, smart, and exciting.